In this stretch tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to stretch out your soleus muscle in a seated position. So all you need to do to start off is have one leg in a flex position. And for this demonstration, I'm going to be showing you on my left leg. With your right leg, or the leg that you're not using for the stretch, you can have it anywhere you want. You can have it straight to the side or also in this flex position as well. What I want you to do is I want you to find something that you can loop around the forefoot of the foot. So not too high, we're not on the toes at all, we're underneath the toes on the forefoot. And once you're in this position, you could use something, for example, like a towel or a belt. You don't have to use what I'm using here, the long resistance band. Once you're in this position, you're going to sit up tall, and from here, you're looking to pull really hard in towards your body, and also keeping the band either completely straight or alternatively a little bit lower than the position it's on the foot. If you was to pull high, there is more of a health and safety risk of the band or whatever you're using potentially pulling and pinging up onto your face or something like that. So I certainly don't want anyone having any injuries. And you're going to hold this stretch for the desired amount of seconds before going on to the next side and repeating exactly the same. So that is how to do a seated soleus stretch.